Hey everyone! Want to become a data engineer in 2025 but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll give you a clear, step-by-step roadmap to become a data engineer, even if you're a beginner. No confusion, no fluff, just the real path to land your dream job in data engineering. Let's begin. Step 1. Learn programming basics first. Master Python. It's the most popular and beginner-friendly language in data engineering. Learn data types, loops, functions, file handling, reading CSVs, JSON libraries like pandas, NumPy bonus. Knowing a bit of SQL from the beginning is also helpful. Step 2. Master SQL and databases. SQL is the heart of data engineering. Learn how to write complex queries, joins, group by, subqueries, work with relational databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL, understand database design and normalization. You should be comfortable managing large tables, cleaning data, and writing efficient queries. Step 3. Learn data warehousing and cloud. Next, dive into data warehousing, understand concepts like ETL, extract, transform, load. Learn tools like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Amazon Redshift. Also, get hands-on with cloud platforms. Start with AWS, especially S3, Lambda, Glue. Learn GCP or Azure Basics too if you want more options. Step 4. Understand ETL tools. Learn how data is moved and processed. Tools to explore: Apache Airflow, Apache NiFi, Talend, or Data Stage. Used in companies, these tools help automate data pipelines, a key skill for any data engineer. Step 5. Learn big data tools. Now get into big data and distributed systems. Understand tools like Apache Spark for fast data processing, Apache Kafka for real-time streaming, Hadoop. Optional, but good to know these are used in large companies to handle huge volumes of data in real time. Step 6. Learn data modeling and APIs. Data engineers often build pipelines that deliver data to analysts or dashboards. Learn data modeling basics: star schema, Snowflake schema, how to build and consume REST APIs using Flask or Fast API. You don't need to be a full stack developer, but this helps you become more valuable. Bonus, projects and practice. Finally, build 2 to 3 solid projects. Example, build a data pipeline that pulls weather data from an API, stores it in a database, and processes it with Airflow or Spark. Push them to GitHub, and write blogs or make videos to showcase your work. And that's your complete roadmap to become a data engineer in 2025. If you follow these steps and practice consistently, you'll be ready for internships and full-time jobs in no time. Don't forget to like this video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech roadmaps and tutorials.